Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have got a different kind of video for you today. I have been asked to cook for the launch event of the Turner Contemporary Gallery in Margate, and they obviously launch exhibitions every few months, and they are launching an amazing exhibition. And for their launch lunch, they have asked the perfect place to grow to help them get the lunch for the guests. So the perfect place to grow have asked me, and I am super excited to be joining them and cooking this meal for them. You might ask, what is perfect place to grow? Well, it is actually a training kitchen and cafe in Margate, and it's designed to support 18 to 24-year-olds in here in Margate into sustainable employment. And yeah, it's a great organization and they are doing some amazing work. So when they asked me to kind of help get this lunch together, also in the process to show youngsters how I'm going to be cooking, and they can see how the Indian recipes are made, and I've decided to make a vegetarian feast for it. So all the recipes that I've cooked in this feast are from Chetna's Indian Feast, my cookbook, link in the description. But hope you'll enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, hope you enjoy this lovely behind the scenes. So I've arrived at the perfect place to grow. They are a cafe, and like I said, a training kitchen. The training kitchen is now on. I did earlier this month, I did a little lesson for the young people, and the cafe will be open very, very soon, in a month or so. So I've arrived here and I gave them already the list of ingredients. They're all ready, and they have got here some young people who are helping us get this meal ready and prep. Lots and lots of onions, garlic, ginger to be prepped. Here is one of the dishes, which is the black dal, which is being cooked. Absolutely tons of it, because we're cooking for 120 people. It's got some lovely whole spices, and there's chickpea going on. Soaked it overnight, and this is getting ready for the salad. This is a garlic and tomato chutney, which is simmering away, and the potatoes being peeled for the potato sabji. So there is a lot of prep to be done even before we cook, because of the quantities, and everybody is hands-on. Here is the salad prep going on with the cucumbers getting ready. So the chickpeas are cooked, or you can use tinned, and then they're cooked with some lovely spices before letting it cool down, and then put together in the salad, which we will do tomorrow when serving this lunch. This is cooked up, and now they have got such an incredible kitchen. The place to grow has got really well equipped kitchen, and this is one of the things that cooks around 25 liters of food, and then you don't even have to do much. You just press a button, it comes out, and you can transfer. Very easy to transfer, very easy to add water, very easy to drain. It's just fantastic. I am loving working in this kitchen. It is a brilliant team, and these people are doing some amazing work. Also, the dal is ready now, so it's being transferred to containers. But it all smells really good. Before transferring it, I made sure to take out all the whole spices, because I don't want guests getting a bite of it. Next morning, we are all here at the Turner Contemporary, and yeah, here with the team and with all the food. Obviously, the place is buzzing because it's day one of the new exhibition, and they are really located at a wonderful place just by the sea. Look at that. inside the Turner Gallery, and this is their sort of function room. And they also have kind of meetings and weddings and all sorts of events in this room. The table is set up and the menu is placed and ready, waiting for people to arrive. And then I can get back in the kitchen and start getting things ready. The first thing that we are serving are some freshly fried papad, because I prefer frying them fresh so they are crispy and they taste much better. And these papad will be served with the tomato and garlic chutney that we prepared fresh yesterday, and it gets a few hours to sit in the spices and taste amazing the next day. Also, there is some cucumber raita, which I'm just finishing off with the spices, along with this amazing coriander mint chutney. And it's always best to prepare this last minute because it tastes amazing, but also retains the color really well when freshly prepared. So all the choppings being done for the mains, and the raita and the two chutneys are going on to be served with the poppadoms.
Rice is cooking nicely, I presume. How long's left on the rice?
The room looks amazing. It's ready with the little snack of papad and chutneys and raita for people to arrive. The room looks so welcoming, and yeah, I am super excited for everyone to arrive and start eating. This is the chickpea salad, the chickpeas that we prepared earlier. Let them cool down and then mixed with the fresh ingredients like the lettuce and the cucumber, onions, and a lovely fresh dressing. The people have started to arrive and they're being welcomed by, obviously, with some Kent produced drinks. Here is the Kent wine and also some Kent kombucha, which actually was absolutely delicious. I loved it. Everyone's settled in and enjoying the little snack to begin with. And it's time for Lee from The Place to Grow to introduce the team and
Phil
the
West,
food.
which is where the cafe is situated, and literally a few minutes walk down the road is 11%. 11%. That's absolutely madness. Given the fact that the UK average is closer to 3.5. It shouldn't happen, and that's why we decided to start this. With the flavours and the love of the food from our home country, and the learning and passion of the youngsters. So thank you very much, Chetna.
Back in the kitchen, it's time to get the mains out. So the way I designed the menu was to have sharing platter. There isn't much time to sit down and eat lunch, so I wanted to make it really interesting and sharing platter. So there is dal, there is potato sabji, and there is some cumin rice, along with obviously the raita, chutneys, and the salad. And all of this is going to go in between the guests, and then they can share and enjoy it together. And here we have the lovely team of young people helping with the whole event, serving, and it's always so nice to watch everyone enjoy the food. And almost time for the dessert to go out. So this cake was prepared by Dory's Margate team. It's an apple cinnamon spiced up cake, and I loved it. I'm usually not a big fan of apple cake, but this one changed my mind. It was light, it was perfectly spiced up, and everyone got a little slice. Obviously, not just on its own, but with a side of fresh double cream, which obviously makes it complete and even more delicious. For the people who were vegan, some of the guests, they got a spiced up poached pear instead, which I did taste and it was delicious. And that was a wrap for the food. Everything was done. It was time to actually clear up. Before that, there was a big round of applause from everyone online. And leaving you here with the core team of the perfect place to grow. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and yeah, it just shows that these events, there is so much work that goes behind these events, and it's all about teamwork. One person can't do it. From the front of house to the back of house to the washer upper to the chopper, everybody plays their very important part in this. I will leave the link to the place to grow here in the description in case you want to go check it out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.